Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Adam with ND72. So we're back with my sl55. So there's been a couple private messages and stuff like that. My last previous video was how I went from my ABC system to my full coilovers. Now, I showed people how to just pull the fuse and get the red to go to a white. But there's a lot of people like, oh, I have a star system. Can you please show me how to code it out? So we're going to go over that today. And I'm going to give a quick little review. I've been driving the car around for a few weeks now. I'm going to tell you all about the suspension, everything I feel good and everything I feel bad about it. But we're going to show you how to code it out. Alright, so if you don't know what I'm talking about, let's see if it'll go on with just key 2. I think I gotta fire up the car. Nope, it came on. So let's get that fan down. So you see how I have the red ABC system set up? You can't get rid of it, you can't move anything. So I'm gonna show you, just like I showed before. Don't mind all my rigmarole. So the fuse you gotta pull is going to be, see this little orange section right over here? See that 15? Pull it. Oh, come on. Now it should go from red to white. All right, look, it literally happened that quick. And then now, since it's white, you can clear it away. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you to do it properly so you don't even have an ABC fault anymore. We're going to use the star computer. So let's fire this car up and get it ready. All right, so we're going to go through there. So you're going to start up the computer. Most of you guys know how to get this. You pick your car, sl55. All right. This one takes a little bit. Left-hand drive for me. You go to actual car. Control unit. Information and body. Instrument cluster. Control unit adaptations. Alright, so this is where you have to know the year of your car. You know, 03. Pretty straightforward. And then you go to special equipment. It's going to do some magic. Now this is actually popping up telling you everything that you really kind of have, your options and all that stuff. So also, from my understanding, if you buy a car that doesn't have option XAB, you can actually code it in here with this. So we're going to go down to the ABC body control module. See how it says it's present? Alright, so we're going to click that. And then we're going to change it to not present. There you go. Click that. And then you have to click over here to write. So you write it. It's going to say, do you want to perform this? You say yes. And now it's doing all its carrying it out magic. Boop, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, 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 boop. It's going to take a few seconds. And if you don't have the car running, like I'm leaving mine running because I have pretty good voltage, put a trickle charger on something. If you don't, just monitor the voltage up there. You don't want to get it too far down, and then you might have some issues. Open it back up to verify. And ABC not present. Also, what I want to do is I want to get rid of a couple things. This tele-aid, I keep getting a thing for like my phone. So we're going to get rid of the telephone. I'm pretty sure tele-aid should be my SOS stuff. So let's get rid of that. It's going to do the same thing. So anything else, anything that's up on the dash that you don't really want to be there anymore, get rid of it. Code it out. Do you want to? Yeah. Alright, now let's go to the car and make sure it all worked. We're going to take you all live. Yeah. I almost tripped. Yeah. Oh, and by the way, if you need any more ABC parts, I got all this for sale. I sold the pump so far, but if you need, what are those called? Like, I can't even think. Accumulators. I got front, rear, sides, everything you really need. I will not be selling lines because there's too many of those are trashed. But we walk right over to the car, and it's all gone. Now all I got are my pesky little, like, pretty sure I got a lot of, like, brake bulb stuff for my taillights. One malfunction. Yeah, see? And it now still over here. These will light up, but they literally won't do anything. So you're good on that. Hey, guys. You guys got an sl55, an sl500, an sl600, sl65 with ABC suspension? You do? Are you tired of every time you come out just for a couple hours or a full night and your car is slammed down to the ground when it's not supposed to be? Me too, so I did something about it. Bam! This is what you need to get. A set of silver coilover conversion kits for the R230 chassis. This will help you with any of your ABC problems, completely delete the system, and drop a few LBs in the process. So if you want to look more into this kit or buy the kit yourself, you can go to silver-na.com, look up the R230 chassis. They also do custom spring rates for you. You just got to email and tell them what you want. They have a couple other extra stuff, like even a low setup, and a few other little things that are just like little add-ons that might make you a little bit happier. And this kit seems very good quality. I'm going to be super happy for it. And when you contact them, if you purchase it, just say you saw a little bit about them at ND72's YouTube channel. Alright, so I've been driving the car around for, like I said, a couple weeks, and the suspension, I love it. Like, I'm just going to tell you, from driving around with the ABC before, I don't really feel a big difference, like when I'm hitting bumps, going the same route. Like, it feels just as smooth. It's not like I'm fighting anything, and it's like, I don't know, like, really how to explain it, but even, like, the handling, like, you could turn the wheel and everything moves pretty easily. You got nothing really crazy going on. I got no weird, like, clunk, no bumps, no really anything like that. For my settings, what I got most of the time, just driving around town, I probably could go to the softest setting and I'd be okay. I got, like, 4 clicks above it. And then for, like, traction-wise, so not on the hardest setting, because if you actually mess with your settings and your adjustments and all that stuff, you could actually hook up a lot better. But this car with stock power hooks up pretty effing well. And I don't know if it's just effing in my head, but it does feel a lot more nimbly now that we dropped, like, what was like 184 pounds. It does feel a lot more zippy. So I'm super happy about it. And if you guys want this kit, Silver sells them. I think it's called, like, Coilovers is the actual name of the company. It's in Fort Myers, Florida, so it's local for me. Shipping was super fast, like I said, and hella recommend it. It made this car so much nicer to drive. No more worries about me coming out and, like, my suspension is dropped to the floor, or I just try to take my significant other to the movies with the top down and all that stuff, and we come out and now my car is slammed down and undrivable. You don't got that anymore. So super happy with it. The kit isn't too expensive, like I said before in the other video, and I showed you all how to install it. But now you guys know how to get rid of that pesky ABC light, and the car is great. Like, the car just feels like zippy and all fun. We'll do like a nice little vroom, just like a nice little kick down, like the car hooks up, nothing crazy, like, you know what I mean? If you remember before, you'd have to, like, bite it because you were just spinning, so you get so much better traction. Sorry with the wind noise. I got this window open a little bit, I just noticed, but super happy with it. Hope you guys like this video. I know it was a short little video, just answering the questions that people had of how to get rid of that pesky red ABC stuff, but catch you guys later. Make sure you guys throw a like and subscribe, and I got more videos with the sl55 coming up. We're going to do some cosmetic stuff, do some, like, testing 60 to 160, 60 to 130 pulls, and then we'll start modding it. But I'm kind of waiting for Black Friday to get, like, some discounts, so catch you guys later, and thanks for watching.